Hello friends, welcome to Basic Chemistry. In one of my earlier videos, we have learned about basic solid state chemistry. In this video, we will take it further and we will learn efficiency of packing. We will understand efficiency of packing with the help of simple example, simple cubic unit cell. Let's start. Efficiency of packing is defined as fraction of space occupied by atoms in the unit cell. Why do we have to learn this? Consider this diagram. There are atoms at 8 corners of a cube. These atoms are nothing but rigid spheres. Because of this, there is an empty space between the atoms. This empty space can be utilized for the introduction of new atoms, and we can change the properties of the substance. That is why we have to learn efficiency of packing. Efficiency of packing is determined in terms of atomic packing factor. Formula is volume of atoms in the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. To determine atomic packing factor, we need to have 6 parameters. First is lattice constant, second is nearest neighbor distance, third is number of atoms in the unit cell, fourth is relation between lattice constant and nearest neighbor distance, fifth is volume of atoms, and sixth is volume of unit cell. Once we determine these values, we will substitute this in the formula of atomic packing factor and we will determine it. Let's start with lattice constant. In simple cubic unit cell, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. Lattice constant is the distance between centers of 2 corner atoms. It is nothing but length of the edge of a cube and it is denoted as A. By looking at the diagram, it seems that these 8 atoms are not touching each other. But it is not like that. Consider this diagram. These are the 4 atoms at rear and these are the 4 atoms at the front. These all atoms are touching each other, means the corner atoms are touching each other. For example, if we consider this atom is touching this atom over here, second atom over here and third atom over here. That is how all atoms are touching each other. Let's understand nearest neighbor distance. Suppose these are the 2 spheres which are touching each other with radius r. The distance between the center of 2 atoms is 2r. It is called as nearest neighbor distance. In case of simple cubic lattice, nearest neighbor distance is calculated as 2r. With the help of this figure, we can easily understand. Let's calculate number of atoms per unit cell. By looking at this diagram, it seems that there are 8 atoms in this unit cell. But it is not like that. We have to consider the part of an atom which belongs to this particular unit cell. To understand this, let's draw a cube. In simple cubic unit cell, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. This is a single unit cell. If this unit cell is repeated throughout 3 dimensions, it will result into a whole crystal. In simple cubic unit cell, there are atoms at all corners. In one unit cell, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. Now consider this central atom. This central atom is shared by total 8 boxes. That means this atom is shared by total 8 unit cells. So I can say 1/8 of its part belong to this particular unit cell. If I am considering this unit cell, I can see this portion is belonging to this part. So therefore I can say 1/8 of its part belong to this particular 1 unit cell. So total number of atoms per unit cell is 1. Let's move further. In the same diagram, if we consider the central atom, same atom, this atom is touching to this atom first, then second, then this is the third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So there are total 6 atoms to which this central atom is in contact. So this is called as coordination number. Number of nearest neighbors is called as coordination number. So total coordination number in case of simple cubic unit cell is 6. Let's determine the relation between the lattice constant and nearest neighbor distance. In case of simple cubic unit cell, there are atoms at 8 corners of a cube and these atoms are touching each other having radius r. Therefore, we can say that lattice constant A is same as that of nearest neighbor distance. We can say A is equal to 2r. Let's move to the second last part, that is volume of atoms. In simple cubic unit cell, there is only one atom and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So total volume becomes 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell is volume of cube, that is length into breadth into height, that is A cube. Let's substitute all these values into the formula of atomic packing factor. There is only one substitution for A, that is A is equal to 2R. Once we substitute, the APF is calculated as 0.52 or 52%. That is how we have calculated. For simple cubic unit cell, atomic packing factor is 0.52, whereas packing density is 52%. In this video, we have learned to determine efficiency of packing in case of simple cubic unit cell. In the next video, we will see body-centered cubic unit cell. If you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. If you want to say something, mention it in the comment box. Till then, watch Basic Chemistry. Thank you.